Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to link Aliexpress products to Shopify. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then on the left side you have to click this add apps, and then you have to look for this what we call Deezer's drop shipping. So go to your app store, and then this time we will not look for AliExpress. We will look for this Deezer's platform right here, which is a great way in order for you to link your AliExpress products to your Shopify. So this is what it looks like, and all you have to do is to install and read some instructions right here. So if you haven't installed it, you will see install button. You just have to click that one, and after that it will ask you to install again and link your Deezer's to your Shopify. So also you have to make sure that you have created your Deezer's account. So you need to create an account by adding email address and password. So for example, this one, if you have created your account, then what you're going to do is to log into your Deezer's account. So just provide your email address and your password to get started. Also, I advise that you also log in your AliExpress here in one tab so that it would be easy for you. So to make it clearer, I'm going to install again the Deezer application or platform to my Shopify. Search Deezer's, click install, and then it will take you to another page. Now click install again, wait for a couple of seconds. And then once you have installed this, then you have to confirm, bind, and authorize Deezer's to or with your Shopify account. So once you have your Deezer's installed in your Shopify or connected to your Shopify, you can now open your Deezer's account right here. This is what it looks like. So don't worry, you can use it even if you're using the basic version. Okay, and then once you're on your Deezer's, then you can go to your AliExpress and look for that specific product that you want to import to your Shopify. So that's the reason why I told you it would be better if you open your AliExpress, Deezer's, and Shopify in one tab so that it would be easier for you to connect and sync anything here. So just look for the specific product. Okay, let's just say you want to import this product to your Shopify store. All you have to do is go back to your Deezer's, tap import list. As you can see, it is supported with AliExpress and other platforms. And then you have to import the product here from your AliExpress account. So let me import that. We'll look for that product. And then tap that product, copy the link. So the link is in here above. You just have to simply copy or control A or select all and then copy. So if you want to see more information about the item, you just have to scroll down here. Now to copy the link, just control A or select all, right click copy or control C. Now you can go back to your Deezer's and then paste it right here, right click, paste or control V, click OK. And then select that product. So this is the product right here. You can edit the product by tapping this three dots and then edit the shipping info. When you tap the shipping info, you can see your shipping info and other information that you can change. For example, if you want to delete unnecessary pictures or photos, you can tap this delete icon right here and then go to description if you want to add some descriptions right here. Also, if you want to add more information and also delete some variants if you think that you don't want to sell this variant right here, and then products, you can change everything, price or whatever. Once done, you can now click this box and then tap this push to store. Now you have to make sure that this is the correct Shopify store and then proceed. Now click this push to store and then you just have to wait till it reaches 100% and you can go back to your Shopify products to see that this product has been connected or linked to your Shopify store. So go to products and you will see the product here from AliExpress. Basically, that's how to link AliExpress products to Shopify. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next tutorials.